vision care program, the students study anatomy of the eye. We do diseases and different vision disorders. They learn everything with the glasses, how to sell glasses, how to do measurements, how to cut the lenses, how to tint them, basically everything in the vision care field. So I like to give them a comprehensive idea of all the different options for career paths.
I chose this career tech major because I knew I wanted to get into the medical field. Last year we kind of started off as like the basic, just the anatomy of the eye, the structure of the eye, kind of some med terms to get us used to. And now at the start of this year, we're learning how to cut lenses and fit them into glasses and read the prescription manually. I'm also in all honors courses, and I'm also in National Technical Honor Society, which is specific to the Career Center.
Junior year, they get an OSHA healthcare certification, and then senior year, CPR and first aid. Summer internships and early placement are opportunities that the students have. I usually have several students that go out and they work for an eye doctor.
I'm hoping to obtain an early placement opportunity with Dr. Early. He's my eye doctor.
The pathways my students typically take after graduation would be either an optometric tech, an apprentice optician, or start college to go become an optometrist.
After I leave this program, I'm planning on going to college and hoping to become a doctor. I really want to take advantage of my experience here and working in the medical field.